Welcome, my friends, to a place where we share inspiration and positivity. Hello, fellow enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of the Penultimate Peril. The Penultimate Peril is the 12th novel in the children's novel series, a series of unfortunate events by Lemony Snicket. Get ready for a thought-provoking discussion as we delve into plot and its impact on our understanding. The Baudelaire orphans, Violet, Klaus and Sunny, are traveling with pregnant VFD member Kit Snicket to Hotel Denouement, the last safe place for volunteers to gather. She tells them that, prior to VFD's gathering in 2 days, they will be disguised as concierge to observe the mysterious JS. In order to identify him as a volunteer or a villain of VFD, the hotel's managers are identical triplets Frank, Dewey and Ernest. Frank is a volunteer, while Ernest is on the opposing side as a villain, and Dewey is someone of legend who many do not believe exists. He has created a book cataloging all information of the VFD. During their first day of disguised employment, the Baudelaires split up to assist the hotel's guests. Violet assists Esme Swaller and Carmelita Spatz by bringing them a harpoon gun. Klaus assists Charles and Sir, the owners of the Lucky Smells lumber mill, by escorting them to the sauna while also hanging flypaper outside a window for one of the managers. And Sunny assists Hal, an employee at Heimlich Hospital. Vice Principal Nero, Miss Bass and Mr. Remora, teachers at Prefrock Preparatory School, while locking a device onto a door of the laundry room, converting it into a vernacularly fastened door. All the guests discuss the mysterious JS, and together the siblings discuss who asked for what, as each of them run into a separate manager. Klaus concludes that Carmelita Spatz requested the harpoon gun to shoot down a bird carrying the sugar bowl, as Sunny mentioned that Hal and a manager were discussing the sugar bowl, an object both volunteers and villains are seeking for unknown reasons, and the medusoid mycelium, a deadly fungus parasite they encounter in the previous book. The flypaper would retrieve the bird's body, and the sugar bowl would fall into the laundry room, in which the room's door was converted into a vernacularly fastened door. Shortly after his proposal, a man encounters them and reveals himself as Dewey Denouement, the third of the secretly 3 brothers. He also tells them that a pool reflection of the hotel is the actual safe place, as the hotel's words and structure were designed backward to reflect the actual words onto the pool. Beneath the pool is an underwater catalog containing crucial information concerning VFD. They are then encountered by Jerome Swaller and Justice Strauss, who have joined VFD after believing messages being sent to were being addressed to them. While the 4 re-enter the hotel, Count Olaf intercepts them and threatens Dewey with a harpoon gun for the code needed to access the door. While the children attempt to prevent the killing, Mr. Poe suddenly enters, causing Olaf to shove the weapon into the Baudelaire's hands. Surprised, they drop the gun, causing it to discharge and kill Dewey. As a crowd arrives, the Baudelaires and Olaf are sent to court. However, everyone except for the judges must be blindfolded for it to be legal. The other 2 judges are later revealed to be the man with a beard but no hair and the woman with hair but no beard. During the hearing, however, the Baudelaires realize that it was a trick for Olaf to kidnap Justice Strauss, pursue the sugar bowl, and burn the hotel and its inhabitants. Klaus, realizing that the sugar bowl was actually underneath the pool, reveals the door code to Olaf. Violet gains access to a boat for all of them to escape the authorities, while Sunny assists in burning the hotel as a signal to VFD that the gathering has been cancelled due to the invasion of enemies. The Baudelaires, along with Justice Strauss, attempt to alert everyone about the fire. It is unknown whether anyone escapes. Shortly after the authorities arrive, the orphans, along with Olaf, are about to disembark by sea. However, Justice attempts to intervene. Sunny apologetically bites her hand, and the 4 sail away from the area and out to sea. As we progress, let's zoom in on foreshadowing and examine its role in shaping our overall narrative. In the last picture of the Penultimate Peril, Count Olaf and the Baudelaire children sail away from the smoking shore aboard a large ship. Unlike the other novels, there are no hints or foreshadowing to the next book. Let's now shift gears and explore translations through a critical lens, uncovering its strengths and weaknesses. Dutch, The Penultimate Peril Finish at the Borders of Solution, WSOY 2006. French, The Penultimate Peril. German, The Outlandish Hotel. Japanese, The Second to Last Crisis, Soshisha 2007. Norwegian, Den 12th Trussel. The 12th Threat, Torrid Vindol, Happen Dam 2006. Persian, The Penultimate Risk. Polish, The Penultimate Trap. Russian, Penultimate Scrape, Azbuka 2007. Thai, Nanny Books Teen 2006. Get ready to uncover the mysteries surrounding adaptation as we navigate its intriguing terrain. The book was adapted into the 5th and 6th episodes of the 3rd season of the television series adaptation produced by Netflix. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.